Canceling your Cloudways subscription is a straightforward process. Here's how to do it. Log into your Cloudways account. Visit the Cloudways website and sign in with your credentials. Access your application management. Once logged in, navigate to the application section from the main dashboard. Here, you will see a list of all your deployed applications. Select the application. Click on the application you wish to cancel. This will open the management dashboard for that specific application. Manage the server. In the application dashboard, locate and click on the Server tab. This will direct you to the server management options. Terminate the server. Click on the Terminate Server option. You will be prompted to confirm the action. Make sure to read the warning, as terminating the server will delete all data associated with it. Confirm cancellation. After confirming, your server and associated application will be terminated. You will no longer incur charges for that server. Check billing. If you want to cancel your entire Cloudways account, go to Account Settings and select Billing. From there, you can manage your subscription.